Hello everyone, right here we are. I'm going to try and do our first video. We're just going to go over something that we done a couple of weeks ago, which is the comparatives and the superlatives, okay? Now what we're going to start off with is we're going to start off with doing one example. So when we use a one and two syllable word, as in an adjective, what we do is we create the comparative by using ER. So small becomes smaller, okay? When we create the superlative, then we use the article, which is the, and we use the EST with the adjective, which creates the superlative, the smallest. Okay, now I'm going to give you an example. What we're going to do is we are going to compare people with adjective, comparative, and then the superlative. So here we go. John is small. Our lunch is smaller than John. We use than because I am comparing John and our lunch. And this is when we use the comparative by using the ER, okay? But Xavier is the smallest. Now we're using the comparative with EST and the article, which is the, okay? So once again, one and two syllable words are adjectives, small, smaller comparative ER, the smallest superlative EST. So, John is small. Our lunch is smaller than John, comparing our lunch with John. But Xavier is the article smallest using the EST. And I forgot to put the full stop. Okay. Now, when we use a three syllable word, three or more, what we have to do is we have to change the comparative and the superlative. For example, three or more syllables, we use beautiful, for example. Beautiful, beautiful. The comparative is more. So more becomes more beautiful is the comparative. And then the superlative is, once again, we use the as the article and most to create the superlative. So, beautiful, the comparative is more beautiful. The superlative is the most beautiful. Okay, right, what we're going to do now is we're going to give you an explanation of. For example, John is beautiful. Michael is more beautiful than, once again, to compare John. More becomes the comparative and beautiful is the adjective. Okay, so more beautiful than John, Michael, eh? But Noah is the most beautiful. And we use the article to create the superlative. The superlative for a three or more syllable word is most, and then we use beautiful. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to send also a PDF that you can print off at home, one or two exercises that we can do at home to continue doing this so the kids don't forget. In the next class, I'm probably going to do something like going to or something like that. But we'll just keep doing the best we can, and hopefully the kids will not forget what they have learned up to now. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class. Good luck, everybody. We're going to beat the coronavirus. Bye-bye.